So this next round is called Nature Called. It's actually all about bird song and bird singing. So I hope you've been listening to the birds around during lockdown. Lots on the radio about it as well. So we're going to start off. This is question number 1. Can you identify this bird? Not the crow. And the second bird. Both these birds are common around Holberton. So that's number 1 and 2. Again, the third bird doesn't live around Holberton, but see if you can guess which bird this is, or make it not guess. Know who is this bird?
Look at that nice, yummy bird seed I got all spread out there, all ready to eat here. Now, wow, look at that. Gee, I could play a game with these the way I've got it. Why not? One of these things is not like the others. Which one is different? Do you know?
Okay, number 4 is going to be a bit quicker. See if you can spot this one.
I thought I saw a pussy cat.
Okay, this is another quick one. This is number 5.
It looks like you'll have to cough up another $50. They slapped us with a reckless driving charge.
We'll just do that one again. Number 5 again.
It looks like you'll have to cough up another $50. They slapped us with a reckless driving charge.
And this is number 6. This is such good fun. Okay, here's another quick one. This is number 7. Okay, this is number 8. This reminds me of my childhood. Okay, this is number 9. If you can name this chicken.
This is it, everyone. We're escaping. Now. We'll either die free chickens or die trying. Are those the only choices? Let's do it.
And finally, number 10. This is an Australian bird. It is quite funny. Have a listen to this.
That was a camera shutter. And again. And now a camera with a motor drive. And that's a car alarm. And now the sounds of foresters and their chainsaws working nearby.
So that's it, guys. That is 10 questions. I hope you've enjoyed the little. I've had a great fun making this little quiz up, and So as they say,
That's all, folks.